If you're a child, are you a boy or a girl?
What was that?
The fuck was that?
You all heard that, correct?
100%.
I don't know what the hell that was, but that just sent a chill down my damn spine.
Me too.
You know what it sounded like? It sounded like a cat screeching.
Mm-hmm. Like a.
Did you hear that, Larry?
So it's a kid.
Sound like it came from dressing room.
Maybe.
Sound like it came from number 1.
It came from around the corner.
It
there.
was
Yeah.
definitely a disembodied voice or sound. It definitely wasn't being made by us.
It's interesting. Just you asked a boy or
If it
girl,
was a boy or a
child.
girl or child.
We're known dressing room number 1 to have little boys in it,
Really? Mm-hmm. Okay.
and which is just around the corner.
The cool thing is we all heard that.
Yeah.